If you're on crypto.com and you need to send Bitcoin to an external wallet, here's exactly how to get it done. Alright, so right over here on your home page, we're doing this on the mobile app. We're going to go down to the bottom of our toolbar. We're going to tap on accounts. Now, once we're in this page, you will see a few options. The very top option should be crypto wallet. You're going to go ahead and open this up. So now we're going to go ahead and select the crypto that we would like to transfer. Over here on the top, you'll see buy, sell, and transfer. You're going to go ahead and click on transfer, and you'll have two options, deposit and withdraw. We're looking to tap on withdraw. Now we're going to click on external wallet. Once we've clicked on external wallet, you'll get your withdrawal whitelist. And here we can click on add wallet address, and you're going to go ahead and select your network. You're also going to add your wallet address that it is being sent to. Just make sure that you're selecting the correct network so that it is the same on the receiving wallet as well as your crypto.com account. Now, depending on what your wallet address is of the external wallet that you're sending your crypto to, you're going to go ahead and get that address. And once you've gotten that address, you can go and add it in over here. You can also use the QR code by tapping on the QR code option on the right of the actual address bar. The last thing over here is giving your wallet a name. So make sure that you go and name it and click on continue. You'll now find yourself back on this page. You can now see that there is the wallet that you've just created, and now you can transfer whatever it is that you need to transfer to your external wallet.